Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started in Plants vs. Brainrots on Roblox. So let's get started. Now, when you first load into the game, don't worry about trying to place everything at once. The goal early on is very simple. Build a solid setup that can consistently handle incoming waves. You want to start by placing your basic plants in different lanes so you're covering the entire field. You don't want all your damage stacked in one row while the others get overwhelmed. As the waves begin, pay attention to how enemies move and which lanes are struggling. If one side keeps leaking enemies, reinforce that lane instead of randomly placing new units. Positioning is everything early game. You want balanced coverage before you start stacking damage in one specific column. Once you understand how XP works, you can start being more strategic. Plants level up by getting kills, so if you want one to scale faster, let it handle a lane mostly on its own. That way it gains XP quickly and boosts its damage by 50% each level up to level 5. A higher level unit can carry early waves much more efficiently than several underleveled ones. Also, don't forget to manage your currency wisely. Instead of constantly replacing units, focus on strengthening your current setup and adjusting placement when needed. Early consistency is way more important than overcomplicating your strategy, so if you're just starting out, focus on balanced placement, smart leveling, and controlled upgrades. Once you master that foundation, the later waves become way easier to handle. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more good guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!